Hi guys, it's Jessie here. I am back with my weekly grocery haul. I'm going to share with you everything that I picked up from Walmart as well as Gordon Food Service. I'm going to share with you my meal plan at the end as well as receipts so you guys can get an idea of what it takes to shop for a family of four for a week. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I just lost all my sunlight, so hopefully you guys can still see. Let me flip on a light here. There, that's a little bit better. So, starting on the left here, I have some bread. I picked up some of this cinnamon raisin bread. My son Austin, who is 11, asked if he could have cinnamon raisin toast for breakfast this week. So, I thought that was a reasonable request, so I picked him that up. I didn't have time to bake my own cinnamon raisin bread this week, so that was the compromise. I got some of this brioche bread. We're going to have French toast, which you guys will see on the meal plan at the end. And this makes phenomenal French toast. I got some tomatoes, some of these fresh white mushrooms, a couple of acorn squash. I did the grocery pickup. So if I had went myself, I'd have been able to choose 2 squashes that were a little bit closer in size, but I'm going to make these work for what I need them for this week. Some bananas. Picked up some bacon, as well as this is Italian sausage there. I don't know how well you can see that. I got some romaine lettuce, as well as some iceberg lettuce, 2 pounds of strawberries, some heavy whipping cream, coffee creamer for the week. Italian sweet cream is what I use, and the original is what my husband uses. A gallon of milk. Moving back here, I have a dozen eggs, some feta cheese, some provolone cheese, some French onion dip. To go with that onion dip, I got a big bag of potato chips. I got a bag of seasoned croutons, some olive oil, great big thing of applesauce. That was another request from Austin. Some canola oil spray, condensed tomato soup, some food for my pup, who's not really a pup anymore. My little Shih Tzu is like 11 now. Some long grain and wild rice. That's my favorite. I love that stuff. I got some Bisquick mix. From Gordon Food Service, everything's just kind of thrown together. I got 2 of these French onion soups. These are frozen. They go right into the oven and they make for a delicious meal. I also picked up one of these caramel frappuccinos for myself and drank that while I was out. That was from Gordon Food Service as well. Another thing from Gordon Food Service are the whole battered onion rings, and I don't know if you guys can see back there those great big package of beef hot dogs. That was everything from GFS. It was a quick trip there. Going back to Walmart stuff, I picked up a set of glasses. These are the glasses that I have in my house. We were running low on the tall ones because they've just broken over the last year or so, so I picked up some more of those. Those are super affordable. It's like 10 bucks for the pack of 16, so they're easy to replace whenever I feel like I need to. Let's move along this side of the table. I picked up some hot dog buns to go with those hot dogs, a couple of loaves of white bread, toilet paper. This is just the Great Value Ultra Strong. My husband really likes the Pure Leaf tea, so I picked him up 2 of the unsweetened. Speaking of my husband, he was all out of soap, so I picked him up some more of his favorite. This is the Body and Face Bar by Dove Men Plus Carrots in the Extra Fresh scent. My teenager was also out of body wash, so I picked him up some of this one. This is the Suave Men Refresh Hydrating Body Wash. We were just about out of aluminum foil, so I stocked back up on that. This is Cascade Platinum for my dishwasher. And last but not least, we have the Ultra Strong paper towels. So that is it for my groceries for the week. Let me go ahead and share with you my meal plan so you guys can see what I plan to do with all this stuff. Alright you guys, so here is a look at my meal plan for the week. What I like to do is write out all of the things that we have going on throughout the week in the evenings so that I can gauge and see what sort of meal I want to undertake for the day. So obviously if we have a lot of activities in the evening, I don't necessarily want to do a super long, complicated meal. And so I just write down all of the meals that I think we are going to have throughout the week on that specific day. This can change, obviously. I will make all of these meals, but not necessarily on the days that I initially plan. You know, things come up, but the plan for this week, I'm going to make some stuffed squash. That is that acorn squash, and I stuff it with Italian sausage and wild rice and mushrooms, and it is a delicious fall type meal. Today's the first day of fall, so it's fitting, even though it's like 100 degrees outside. We're going to pretend like we're having fall weather here in Southeast Michigan. Another fall favorite in my house is chicken and dumplings. I'm going to do that in the crock pot since we have practices and stuff in the evening. That way we can come home to some delicious chicken and dumplings. All I'll have to do is just throw in the dumplings once we get home. So there's that. Grilled cheese and tomato soup, another fall classic. Can you guys sense a theme here? I was really feeling fall flavors. And this is a super quick and easy meal that can get thrown together in no time at all. We're going to have French toast with bacon. I got that big pack of strawberries to go with that as well. Friday night, we will probably go out or just grab something at a drive-thru. We've got a late soccer practice, and then we're heading out camping for the weekend as long as the weather holds out. While we are camping that Saturday night, we will have hot dogs and chips, super easy. And then Sunday, we'll have BLTs. So that is a look at my meal plan. Let me go ahead and share with you the receipts so you guys can see what I spent. A little bit higher than I wanted to this week, but not too bad, all things considered. Alright, you guys, really quickly, here is my Gordon Food Service receipt. You can see that I spent $33.95 there. That was for that coffee, that French onion soup, the onion rings, and the beef franks. So not too shabby there. That was GFS, and I'll go ahead and put the Walmart pickup receipt at the end showing you the prices for everything as well as the total. But that is it for my weekly grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe so that you never miss a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!